What is going on, guys? It's Jay, by the way. As you see, I picked up two packages this morning, and that is the new Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in a Cinder colorway. It was actually released yesterday, but I only bought it online because I didn't want the raffle. That's too bad though. If I won that raffle, maybe this video was done by now, and I was supposedly doing it at the park with some montage and all, but unfortunately, yesterday the UAE government announces that all the public beaches and public parks will be closed for 15 days due to this catastrophe that is happening right now. So guys, whichever part of the country you are right now, just stay at home so you will be safe. This COVID thing is so contagious, so it's better to stay at home and relax. Trust me. Spend your time with your family, do something that you don't do on a daily basis when you are just staying at home. Watch movie, TV show, Netflix and chill, whatever. So in short, take care of yourself, your family. Um, we all wish that this virus will vanish soon because really it affects all of us. Anyway, with that being said, let's go for the unboxing. So let's go for the box first. By the way, I'm currently recording right now, so don't be surprised if you heard some birds chirping. So let's go to the box. It's still sliding, so nothing much to see here. So 350 on the upper side of the box. On the side is size 10, as you can see. Yeah, size 10 is not my size again. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Boost on the side. Yeah, nothing much to see here. Nothing in here. So let's get into it. Oops, I slipped. Yeah, so I'll take this out. So let's see how does it looks. So first of all, I like the color of this one. It's like a darkish brownish gray prime knit. Not bad, easy, not bad. And it's like the black static with a different outsole. The first thing that I recognize is that they changed the stitching on this. Before it was X pattern, but now it's inverted. Compare it to your other 350 so you can see. Weird. This is the first for me because as I told you in my last video that it has been 2 long years since I bought a pair of V2s. I would like to compare it to my blue tints, but I'm so embarrassed to show to you guys that pair because it's really messed up. I use my Bluetooth like almost every week. I don't know, maybe because it's really comfortable. So let's go back. It has a standard laces that goes to the color of Cinder gray. Nice. Slightly lighted gray sock liner with the Adidas 3 stripes. It's got a pull tab here compared to the other 350s and the Desert Sage that we unboxed last week. Black plastic mesh stripe that runs all the way through the tip of the sneakers. Looks like a dark shade of black, and it's transparent, see-through, so you can pair this with good socks. So let's go to the insole. Insole is black with the Adidas Yeezy logo in here. Nothing much to see here. Yeah. rubber midsole with the matching Cinder gray, and the dark brown rubber outsole with the yellow side in here. Cool. Boost, of course, for the most comfortable shoes right now in the market. I like what they have done with the new silhouette, and of course the material that they use. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look so you can see. So that's about it, guys. Overall, I think this pair is a great colorway. To be honest, as I see in the previous release and reviews, this looks like the black static. So if you already have a black static, try to compare this one to it. It really looks similar. You will see the difference. And if you don't have, consider purchasing this pair. I know you're gonna like it. A lot of free sellers out there, especially here in UAE, that you can ask for a discount. If you ask me if I will keep this pair, I gotta say I'll pass. This is not the colorway that I like. So what I gonna do with this pair, I will pass this to my friend because these aren't mine. They just asked me to purchase this for them and unbox for you guys. Maybe, just maybe on Wednesday, March 25th, Yeezy 380 Miss will release. I might keep that pair. Anyways, let's end this video. Gotta go outside to bring these two pairs to them. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider to subscribe now, and please give this video a thumbs up. So I hope to see you all again on my next video. Again, it's Jay by the way. See you on my next unboxing. Let's go!